Hey guys, welcome back to LPSG, and today we're going to be opening shopkins! New shopkins! Here is our first shopkin. This is Claire Chair. She is 2 shades of green. That's cool. And there's this purple thing. I don't know what that is. Bring out Vic. I'm here, Irene. I can hear your thoughts. That's cool. Anyways, go sit over there. And Claire Chair is a rare. That's my first rare, I think. I don't know. Yay! Let's bring out our next shopkin. It's a pacifier. This is Dumb Mimi. Yeah, Dumb Mimi. Okay, and she is an ultra rare. That's so cool. Yeah. Yum, yum. Hey, don't chew on Mimi. Sorry. Yep. Alright, let's bring out our next. Oh, it's what's her name? Tiny Tissues. And she has 2 colors. If we can see that. Yeah. Tiny Tissues is a common, but we still love the commons. And since you're kind of sprayed, you kind of remind me of our rainbow bear right here. And I don't think last video we made a name for her, so we're just going to name her Rainbow. Okay, and our next shopkin is Rockin'. I don't know what Rockin' is. It's just her name? Yeah, okay. So Rockin' is a common. Rockin' is a common, but she reminds me of Ruby. Look at that. Oh, the pacifier. Oh, whatever. Anyways, our next shopkin is... Oh, it's a baseball bat. Hey, nice. Just cute. Let's see what she is.
Can I get you some coffee? Yes.
What's her name? Let's find her on the checklist. Oh, this is Grace Baseball Bat. She is also a common. So far, we've had a rare, an ultra rare, and 3 commons. Here, you can sit with the dog. There we go. Now, for our mystery shopkin. Let's open her up. Alright, let's open this. We're just opening this. And who is it? It's a guitar that kind of looks like a cat or a mouse. Let's see where it fits on the checklist. This is Plucky Guitar. And Plucky Guitar is a rare. Plucky Guitar is a rare. That's cool. You know, Plucky Guitar is blue. Kind of reminds me of Bubble. But her little thing here reminds me of Got a little bunny here.
You know what that's called, homeboy?
Look at this.
Your life.
Our Shopkins and our OPS all together. Oof. Hey, come back with that. Mine now. No.
Give up.
We'll do it on the day we have that wash
You don't have hair.
He does, this is extremely short.
You're king.
Oh, we got it back.
That's the battery take forever.
Oh,
It's failing.
okay, thank you guys for watching. And look at our, oh, yeah, let's just get our LPS out of the way. Come on, guys. Let's see how many can actually fit in here. So let's go to smallest to biggest. So let's go to only these little ones can fit in here. So three Shopkins in there, and then we got 2 right here. Isn't that just adorable? Alright guys, so we got 2 rares, 1 ultra rare, and 3 commons in this video. So thank you guys for watching, and love ya!